Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to take you to a 2-day Kochi trip, how we have planned it. So if you're also planning Kochi trip with your friends or families, especially from the college, then this is the video for you. Stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share a lot of information, videos of all the places that we have gone to, and also the distance, entry fees, lot of details. So let's get into the video. So our journey started from the college, where we have taken an auto to the Pala bus stand, and from there we have taken a bus to Ettumannoor bus stand and gone to Ettumannoor Railway Station, taken a train to direct Ernakulam South Central Railway Station. The train ticket to Ettumannoor from the Ettumannoor railway station to Ernakulam South Central Railway Station is approx 60 rupees. I will give you the details of price whenever it's possible, where there are entry tickets. Right after we reach the Ernakulam railway station, we have rented two bikes. One is a scooter and one is a bike. It's also very affordable. We have booked it beforehand, and the petrol upon you. So whatever the kilometers that you have traveled, the petrol cost is you have to bear the petrol cost. If you don't have the original driving license, they will also take a caution deposit of 2000 rupees. And then we have gone to our room, which we also have booked, which is also very cheap. For 2 rooms, it's only 1800 rupees. So after taking the room, we have freshed up over there, taken our bikes, got ready for the trip, planned to go to Athirapally Waterfalls. But we have seen in Google Maps and also the places to explore near Athirapally Waterfalls, and found out that Thumburmuzhi hanging bridge is also quite famous, and it's right on the way that we are going to Athirapally Waterfalls. So we have seen that. Let me now show you the Thumburmuzhi hanging bridge, and then I will also show you the Athirapally Waterfalls. Amazing sceneries, must watch. You have seen Thumburmuzhi hanging bridge, Athirapally Waterfalls. Comment below how my videography skills are there. Heavy traffic, tired but excited for the day 2. So on the day 2, we have taken our bikes again, excited for the trip. To reach Fort Kochi, you have to first take a ferry ride where all the cars and bikes will be boarded in a ship. After some time it will take you to the other side of the Fort Kochi. Entry ticket is approx 10 rupees per vehicle. After reaching the Fort Kochi, there starts your exploration of many places over there. We have seen one church which is famous, Saint Francis Cathedral Basilia, sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, and then Mattancherry Palace, Jewtown Street, Fort Kochi Beach. From there we have also gone to Cherai Beach. Let me show you a quick tour of all the places that we have visited on day 2.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush it through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle, climactic fly. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5, I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend you're shy.
So that's the day 2 of Kochi trip, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The twist over here is I lost my wallet in the trip. I don't know, it would have slipped from my pocket while I'm on the bike, or somebody have robbed it. I'm telling you to be careful, especially in crowded areas, and while you are going to trips, take special care of all your important things. Yeah, after the trip, came back, handed our bikes to the rental company, EVM company, and then taken a direct bus from Ernakulam bus stand to Pala bus stand. If you want to know the complete approximate budget that we have spent on this trip is approximately 2000 to 2500, including all the expenses like food, bike rentals, petrol, room, everything, which is very budget friendly, especially for college tour if you are planning with your friends and all. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and that which gives a lot of support. Thank you guys, have a good day. It's Harsha signing off. Bye bye.